In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and customize your email notifications within your form builder. Understanding how to configure these settings is crucial for ensuring effective communication with your audience, be it clients, colleagues, or any other important contacts. So, let's dive right in and explore how to set this up seamlessly. First, you'll want to start by accessing your form builder's dashboard. Once you're there, head over to the top navigation bar where you'll find the Settings tab. Clicking on this will open up a new set of options tailored for configuring various aspects of your form. Within this menu, look for the Email section. This is where we'll focus our attention today. By selecting emails, you'll be directed to the Email Settings area where you can manage all email-related preferences for your forms. This includes adding new notifications as well as editing any existing ones. Now let's talk about adding or editing a notification email, which is a key component of staying informed about form submissions. You'll find an option to either add a new notification email or select an existing one to edit. If you're adding a new one, you'll click on the Add Notification Email button. If you're editing, simply choose the notification email you wish to update. This step is important for defining how you or your designated team members receive information from your form. Crafting the right email notification will help you stay on top of the responses and utilize the data effectively. Next, let's set the recipient email. This is the email address where notifications will be sent whenever there is an update or a new submission on your form. Be sure to input an email address that you check regularly or belongs to someone who is responsible for actioning these submissions. It's a good idea to double check for any typographical errors during this stage to ensure smooth delivery. Carefully enter the recipient's email and confirm. By doing so, you'll make sure that the right people are kept in the loop and any necessary follow-up actions can be taken promptly. Finally, the last step is to save your changes. Look for a Save button, typically positioned towards the bottom of the page or at the top right corner. This will finalize your email settings, ensuring that everything you've configured is stored appropriately and will function as intended. Saving is crucial because any unsaved progress might be lost if you navigate away from the page. After saving, you'll have peace of mind knowing your notification email settings are correctly in place. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up your form's email notifications, which will help streamline communication and keep you updated with every form submission. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.